There are few things in life as beautiful as driving through the French region of Provence.
I cook with white wine, onion, carrots, bacon, thyme.
Add to that a locally sourced meal prepared by 2 Michelin-Starred chefs and you're very nearing perfection. Reine and Sammut, her daughter Nadia and I are throwing a party at their country inn and orchard, and it's très bucolique.
I can show you. We say turn the artichoke.
It's artichoke season, so we'll be serving them not 1, 2, but 3 ways.
And we make a sauce with artichoke and lemon.
4 ways with artichokes. We're in for a feast.
And I will do the focaccia with artichoke.
5 ways with artichokes. I know. I'll be sourcing an ancient ingredient over which wars have been fought and with which wars have been paid for. Can you guess what it is? Santé.
Santé.
Santé. Oh, and it all just happens to be completely gluten-free.
The first totally gluten-free Michelin-Starred restaurant in the world.
Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.